Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan dressing. We'll explore simple, plant-based alternatives that are incredibly flavorful and easy to prepare at home. Crafting your own dressings means you can use fresh ingredients, avoid unwanted additives, and tailor the taste perfectly to your preferences. We'll cover two popular styles, a creamy, rich option and a zesty, lighter vinaigrette, ensuring you have versatile choices for any meal. For a wonderfully creamy and versatile tahini dressing, start by whisking together 1/4 cup of tahini with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Next, incorporate 1 finely minced garlic clove and a generous pinch of salt. Gradually add 2 to 4 tablespoons of water, stirring continuously until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. Feel free to adjust the water amount to make it thicker for bowls or thinner for salads. To create a vibrant, zesty vinaigrette, begin by combining 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a small bowl. Introduce 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a 1/2 teaspoon of maple syrup for a touch of sweetness and balance. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Whisk all ingredients vigorously until they are beautifully emulsified and well combined. To truly perfect your homemade vegan dressings, remember to always taste and adjust. A little more salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a touch of maple syrup can make all the difference. Store your creations in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will typically stay fresh for up to 5 days. Don't hesitate to get creative. Try adding fresh dill, smoked paprika, or even a dash of sriracha for an exciting twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.